What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Buick Envision. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is look on the left side of the remote. There's a button here. We're going to push that button and we're going to pull out the emergency key that's right here, okay? Push and then pull. Notice it just comes right out. Now we're going to turn the remote over with the buttons facing down, and there's the slot for the emergency key right here, and there's another slot here. We're going to use this slot to pop open the back of the remote. Flathead screwdriver goes in. Then what we're going to do, you see how far it goes in? It doesn't go in very far, like a 1/4 of an inch. We're going to go ahead and give this a twist. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter, but give it a twist, and it'll crack open the remote. See how the remote opened up? And we can just open it up the rest of the way. All right. Take off the back cover. And there is a rubber seal right here. We're going to take that off too. And here is our remote battery. Okay, now there's 2 slots here. You can use the screwdriver just to pry the battery right out. Get a new battery, and I'll show you what size. So here's our new battery. It's a CR2450. The positive sign facing down. Push it in the slot first and then click it in. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I'll have the part number and a link takes you to Amazon where you can get a new battery. All right. So as far as the seal goes, what I like to do with the seal, the back cover, I'm going to go ahead and put it on here like this first. It just goes on these little slots right here. And then you can get the other half of the remote and just stick it together, okay? We're just going to push it together just like that. And the emergency key should go back in, and if it goes in and locks, we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you left me a like, maybe a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.